For most of my life, I thought manifestation means wanting something really badly. I did visualization, I was positive, said all those affirmation, but nothing came true until I realized this. You don't create your life with desires. You create it with your nervous system. And once I learned this Joe Dispenza method and applied it correctly, my life changed completely. In this video, I'll tell you step by step how I use Joe Dispenza method to rewire my entire brain, regulate my body, and become the version of me for whom my dream life felt normal. This is your exact blueprint to change your identity using neuroscience and emotional conditioning step by step. So let's get started. All, my name is Dia and welcome back to my channel. I learned about this method when I initially started manifesting, and oh my goodness, this exact method has helped me manifest my entire life. From relocation to finances, relationship, my parents, literally every single thing. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you step by step every single thing I did to achieve my dream reality. So let's get started. Let's start with the foundation. This is extremely important. Joe Dispenza teaches that your personality creates your personal reality. So your personality is nothing but your repeated thoughts, your repeated emotions, your repeated behaviors. So if you wake up every single day having that stress, having that lack mindset, that nothing in my life is working out in my favor, I am getting up every single day with the same reality, your body is gonna unconsciously create the same future. Because our body is literally addicted to those familiar emotional states. That's why oftentimes, even when we know our partner is not good enough, they are upsetting us every single day, still we would go back to them over and over and over again. That's because even the anxiety they give us feels safe to us because it's known. So the problem isn't that you don't want to change it bad enough. The problem is your body is not comfortable with the unfamiliar situations. And that's why your mind always wins. And that's why you end up in those situations over and over again. Okay, so the first step I did was to be extremely clear. Instead of saying, I'm living a better life, I'm making a lot of money, I'm very beautiful, I was extremely specific on the exact thing I wanted my life to be. This is the country I'm living in. This is my weight. This is my boob size. This is my waist size. This is my hip size. My hair are this long. I'm making this much money every single month. This is my morning routine looks like. This is my night routine looks like. These are my habits. This is what I eat every single day. I was as specific as possible. And to manifest this, I created a private Instagram account and I followed every single person who is already living my dream life. And every single day I would go on Instagram and see all these people I followed are already living my dream life. So for my brain, it is not a shock. It is already a reality because it feels familiar. Because this is the law. You don't manifest what you want. You manifest what your body feels familiar with. So by doing this, you're gonna trick your own subconscious mind. This is where the real change begins. Joe called this becoming nobody, no time, no place. So what this means is, you disconnect from the identity that has been living on the autopilot and consciously choose the identity you want. And this is how I practiced it. Do this right before you go to sleep or as soon as you get up. This is because at this time, your brain is naturally in the alpha or theta brain waves. So this is what you're gonna do. Sit or lay down, whatever you feel comfortable with. And then use 4-7-8 breathing method. It's basically you inhale for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and then exhale for 8 seconds. It is gonna help you relax your entire body and mind. Do this couple of times until you feel your entire body and mind relaxed. After that, let go of your entire identity. Let go of your name, your past, your problem, even the place you're in right now. and let go of it completely and imagine your life being a blank slate. And then this state is gonna be your neurological reset. So after you quit your old identity, feed your brain with new identity. Joe Dispenza is very clear. Emotion is the signal. Once you let go of your old identity, create the new one. Your thoughts are literally the instructions for your subconscious mind, and the emotions are the one that's gonna carry them. So here's how I practiced it. I brought my future vision to my mind. I was extremely specific. I focused on my heartbeats, and then I was breathing slowly and deeply. And in this state, I was extremely grateful. I filled my entire body with gratitude, love, the wholeness. And be careful, do not feed your body at this point with urgency, lack, or anything that is negative. You don't want to signal your brain that you are desperate. This is something you don't have in your life. You don't want to manifest out of urgency or desperation. So when your heart and body work together, your nervous system is going to be more regulated. It is going to be a signal for your heart and subconscious mind that it is safe, it is real. And this is how your body is going to believe that your future has already happened. This is the most important step. You cannot skip this. I kid you not, I literally changed my entire life through meditation, and the strongest and the most powerful I felt subconsciously here was when I started doing meditation consistently. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna practice meditation consistently. You cannot do it once and expect a drastic result. It is literally a lifestyle that you have to follow. Joe Dispenza teaches that the more you repeat, the familiar it's gonna feel. And the familiarity creates identity. So every single day, rehearse your emotion. Feel as if it has already happened. Feel your emotions over and over and over again. Do it so many times that your body literally memorizes them. And when you do it over and over and over again, your subconscious mind is completely gonna shift. And you gotta do it so many times that your future don't even feel exciting. You're gonna feel, oh, it is normal. It is already my reality. There is nothing to be excited about. For example, let's say you wanted something really, really bad and you finally got it. So you're going to be excited for a day or two, but after that, it's going to feel normal. So you have to imagine that normal state already as if it is already yours. So you manifest already having it, not wanting it. When your internal state changes, your behavior changes naturally. So let's say you want to become filthy rich. Do you really think a filthy rich person would be wearing those clothes? Do you really think that the future self of yours who is extremely rich would be eating that food? No, right? You gotta manipulate yourself. You gotta manipulate your own brain. Joe called this inspired actions. Get just one luxury pajamas today. Wear it every single day as if you're rich. Get up early every single day if you want to manifest discipline in your life. Do at least one inspired action so that your brain knows that you're not chasing something. It is already yours. And when you're aligned, you don't chase, you attract. Your external life won't change until and unless you change it here. Your reality is exactly what you think. You cannot manifest anything until and unless you detach completely from your reality. Do not react. Don't be attached to the outcomes. Do not think how is it gonna happen. When it is gonna happen, just believe in your soul that it is gonna happen. And Joe teaches this clearly. When you no longer emotionally need your future, that's when your entire life get aligned. The moment you let it go, you're gonna get it. And that's when people change, opportunities appear out of nowhere. Their entire reality organizes, every single thing just fall in place magically. It is not magical, it is completely logical. You have to train your own subconscious mind. I know it sounds too much. Let me summarize what it actually means. Your emotion is the frequency, and your present moment is your power. The meditation is going to rewire your identity, and familiarity creates reality. And that's how you get everything you want. So, manifestation isn't just wishful thinking, it is you training your own subconscious mind brick by brick. You tell your subconscious mind exactly what to do, and it is gonna give you exactly what you want. And it only happens your mind, your body, your emotions finally aligns with each other. I have created 7 days Joe Dispenza inspired nervous system reset. It is going to be the exact structure for 7 days, the exact method I did to manifest my dream reality. The link is in the description and it is all free. And if you made it so far, drop this emoji. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, comment, and your big sister loves you so much. Bye bye.